I'm Anne of Anne's Kitchen, and in this new recipe series we'll be cooking proper Luxembourgish food together. Each month I'll introduce you to a classic dish from my home country. We'll be making crispy grompere kichelcha just like at the Schurberfauer, hearty Bohne-Schluck bean soup for colder days, and sweet delights including the bretzel to give to your loved one. And we're starting today with a true favorite, Luxembourgish Kniddelen. For the Kniddelen you'll need eggs, milk and flour, as well as quark, bacon and cream. Kniddelen are Luxembourgish boiled dumplings, and they're made with a really simple flour dough that's cooked unstuffed. So there's nothing inside, it's just a dough consisting of flour, eggs, milk and a little something special. So I'm making a portion for 4 people, and I'm using 375 grams of flour and 3 eggs. And I'll also need milk and quark. Now, quark is a dairy product that we tend to use quite a lot in Luxembourg, and we call it weiße Käse, and you'll find it in supermarkets as well, labeled as fromage blanc. And this gives the Kniddelen a really nice creamy texture. Some people don't use it at all, but I love it in my Kniddelen. And of course we'll need to season the dough with a bit of salt and pepper. Now I'm gradually adding my milk whilst whisking. And you're looking to get a runny texture like pancake batter. And now we can already boil the dumplings. And once they're floating to the surface, I let them cook for another 2 minutes to make sure they're fully cooked. Now I'm transferring them into a bowl and covering them with a lid to keep them warm. They really are quite odd-shaped little dumplings, but it's not about the shape, it's about the taste. Now there are 2 different ways to enjoy the Kniddelen, either with a cream sauce or pan-fried. But either way, it's always served with bacon. I like to use smoked streaky bacon and cut it myself, but you could of course use the ready cut bacon lardons. But this, I think, has more flavor and texture. And now I'll gently fry the bacon until it renders its fat. And then I can add the Kniddelen to the pan. And now you can decide whether you want to keep on frying until they get crispy or add a dash of cream. And I'm going for the cream today. And then my Kniddelen are ready to serve. Just a sprinkle of parsley for some color. And then I like to serve them with a green salad for vitamins. Good appetit!